Janitor AI is an AI powered chatbot platform designed to engage users in conversation. It allows users to create customized interact AI characters for various purposes. How you can use OpenAI's API with Janitor AI is pretty interesting thing. What you're gonna do is go to the Janitor's AI website, log in it, create your free account. That's pretty simple. You can just create a new character here, click on the chat with diaper merge. Here you can click on the using Janitor. Now here you can go to advanced setting, click on advanced setting. Here you can see OpenAI select. You can select your OpenAI model, you can select your own API key or reverse proxy, and that's how you can simply do it in a simple manner without being such. But how you can get OpenAI's keys? You can go to the OpenAI website, click on the API keys. You can see on the screen here. You can create an API key. Don't forget to hide it credentials because your API key is pretty secretive. Do not show it to anyone. After that, just paste that API key to the Janitor AI, and we are good to go.